Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. Interesting one, this one. So we've got a gun here that's we've built. It's a level 9 M4 Sopmod build, which is, as you can see, is going to faraway lands. But interestingly, we've been sending emails to try and contact the customer about the build, and we're getting no reply. We're assuming we're going into some kind of a spam folder, but obviously we like to discuss builds, before we obviously finish them, finalize FPS numbers, that kinds of things. And obviously we've struggled to get a reply, so we've carried on and done our best guess with regards to these things. But ideally we'd love to just confirm everything before it goes out, to faraway lands. But things we'd like to confirm is obviously battery configuration. On the request was for a sort of CTR stock style modification, but without the CTR stock. So we've done that. So we've done a small 6cm extension on there, what we call direct wire, and obviously you can now apply any one of your stock choices. The only thing I'd say is that obviously we've done it for the CTR length, so it's quite short. Obviously if you have much longer stocks like the PTS one, you might want a longer length on there. These are usually things we like to discuss, so before, just to find out what the customer use case is, because obviously the online order system, only goes so far as to pull a certain amount of information through. So, and obviously, so we've done it, according to obviously what the website says. Obviously FPS is as requested, so obviously you'll have to email us about that one if you just want to double check. Then what we've got, so obviously build wise is level 9. We've got obviously Gate Titan NGRS model installed, Prometheus 363mm barrel installed. We've got the 18:1 Prometheus Gears, 6mm bearings, Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus flat nub. We've got the Prometheus Selector plate, Prometheus Tappet plate, FPS Cylinder, FPS Spring guide, FPS Piston, FPS Piston Head, FPS Cylinder Head, Laylax Trigger Pin, Firefly hot rubber, EagleSix upgrade power spring, EagleSix upgraded recoil spring, and an Action Army 35k motor. So yeah, so hopefully that specification is what you've requested. There was 2 additional things we saw on the order, like a custom grip. Ideally, if that was to be installed, we needed to know before we built the gun up, because obviously shimming has to be done per grip. So hopefully that's for a different gun. We're just going to make an assumption there. But otherwise, like I said, we've range tested. It's shooting great, and it's all ready to go. So I think they're the only questions. Obviously, if you want to, if you happen to be a customer that's ordered from us expecting an M4 that happens to live in New York, feel free to check your spam folder and give us a message back. But you've paid for the shipping link, so yes, we'll obviously get it shipped out for you. But we'd just love to confirm things like FPS and everything's 100%. Normally we like to tick a lot of boxes before sending a gun so far, but yeah, like I say, hopefully everything's happy and you can confirm that you've seen the video and that the build is good. And that's why we do these proof of life videos, just to demonstrate that everything's working before it goes so far and something maybe is not quite right. It's the whole concept of these, but we'll just demonstrate it working for you. Obviously trigger response is nice and quick. Got a really good rate of fire there with the Action Army motor. There you go. So yeah, that's all sorted. Like I say, if you can get in contact, we'd love to just get you absolute okay, if you know what I mean. So we feel confident in obviously dispatching. It is travelling a long way, but otherwise, you know, just let us know. And like I say, if you don't let us know, I suppose we can just send it. But you know, I'm hoping you see the video and either give us a call or ping us an email back. So thank you.